Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Putra Oktaviani from Group 3. In this time, I would like to present about our project design with the title is Toddler Swing Sweat Products Design and Development. So why we choose the Toddler Swing Sweat as the object of this product design? Because we know that for the mother and parent, they want to give the facility for the children that can support their emotional development. But right now, the swing set is often bulky and heavy, that making them difficult to move and store. And then for the baby swing set right now, it's also usually like a removable, washable pad which complicated cleansing. Uh, because this problem, we try to design and develop that baby swing set that can give more easy baby swing set that more easier to transport for the visit, removable and adjustable height, cater to various needs. This is the project planning. For the project goals, we have 4 project goals. The first one is about develop a portable shoulder swing set, provide a pad that are easy to remove, and then edit a flexible height setting feature using eco-friendly material. And for the opportunity selection, we have 4 opportunity. The first one is about portability, removable, washable pad, eco-friendly material, and flexible height setting. This is the mission statement of the baby swing set. For the first one is about product description, and then benefit proportion, like comfortability, safety, and easy of use. And then key business goals, primary market and secondary market, assumption and constraint, and stakeholders that contain of customer, supplier, employee, investor, and regulatory authorities. For the vision of our design is to be the first choice of parent in providing the best comfort and safety for the toddler whenever they are taught the innovation of practical, safe, and high quality portable swing set. And this is so this is the customer need. As you can see here, we collect the data from the survey that we asked about the name of respondent, and we asked about what kind of opportunity that respondent can find or see from the baby swing set. And we get 20 response for another member from another group. And this is the customer segment and customer need. Customer segment is statement that customer give to the product, or what they want to the product. Like in here, for example, customer may prefer material that can withstand various weather conditions, ensuring durability and longevity. And for the customer need is the need that should what should the product do? Like the shoulder swing set have to durable material to withstand long-term use. This is the customer need hierarchy. There are two symbol here. The first one is star symbol. It's mean that the level important. Example, for the shoulder swing set is designed to prevent accident and injuries. Have a 5 star. It's mean that really important. But the the another symbol, this is the exclamation mark. It's mean that letter need. Letter need is the need that unconscious need from customer. It's like shoulder swing set, easy to. And then yeah, this is the target specification. There are four category. Is the first one is safety, the second one is easy of use, comfort, and price. And there are two column. The first one is about requirement. Requirement is same with a customer statement, and for the criteria, it's about technical specification. And this is the quality function development of our KFD that the left side is about customer requirement, and for the top side is about technical specification. And for KFD we can get we can know that the price, quality, and uh, the the ability of the part can fold it is really important. This is the final specification. The technical model have two part. The first one is about dynamic model. Example, swing set frame that is dynamic model because it can adjustable strap capability. And the second one is static model. Example, swing set frame material that can durability and comfort when we use it. And for establishment of final specification for this product is already went to another competitor, and then give also already give benefit to the company because even we use the high quality material. This is the selection of concept. This is the functional diagram. They have four factor. The first one is about material, design, endurance, and size. Four of the factor will affect for the customer is can make customer easier to use set, store it, and maintain it. This is the alternative solution. There are three concepts, and we already do the selection criteria. For the criteria, the net score of concept 3 is highest from the other, and that's why we choose the concept 3. This is the product architecture. This is the dimension of our product. And for the geometric layout, we already um we already make it using SolidWorks as like the picture. And then this is the industrial design. There are five category. For the material is high because customer prefer to uh, we customer may prefer material that can withstand various weather conditions. And for the design is middle important because customer dislike product that require excessive time or effort to assemble. For functionality is high important level because customer design a swing that not only keep their total entertainment but also provide their comfortable experience. Serviceability is middle important because customer may prefer a material that can withstand various weather conditions. And for the product differentiation is middle because there are many differentiated design of on. Yeah, for the product differentiation is the middle important because there are many different things that design on market currently, but very few tackle or the problem of safety. I think that's all for my presentation. I'm sorry if I make a mistake. I will close the presentation with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.